Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's continue with our C course. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a hello world from scratch. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to comment in C. You just type dash dash, okay? And if you do this, you can write a single comment. For example, this is a comment, okay? So if you want to comment in multi-lines, just type slash asterisk to open and close a multi-line comment. Okay, so this, let's see, this is a multi-line comment. Let me type this. Okay, so I think you guys got it, this part. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's start by importing the main library that we're gonna use in this video. So let's use a pound include stdio.h. okay, this means that this library io is for input output, std stands for standard, okay, and .h which means .header, which is the file which works as a library. So we got this part. Now we're gonna create the main function. Okay, so every C program needs to have at least one main function, because when you run a program, the computer will look for this function to start the application. So this is a default function that every program should have. So now we can print some text on the screen. To do that, we're gonna use the function called printf. Okay, so get this function, and between double quotes we can print our text. For example, hello from scratch, because this example is a more detailed one. Let's return 0, which means that the program was runs successfully. Let's click on this thing to compile the program. Let's wait until the compilation is complete. The compilation was completed successfully. Let's just run now. So you guys can see here, hello from scratch was successfully ran. Okay, it ran successfully. So there you go, guys. This is how you can create a program from scratch. Hope you guys enjoy it, and see you guys next time.